This isn't your typical face routine. In just 7 minutes, we'll zone lift your face. Just mindful touch, rare botanical oils, and a modern technique most people haven't tried. Get ready to lift sagging skin and glow naturally. Sculpt, calm, and glow naturally. Welcome to Repair Our Health, where we turn everyday touch into timeless beauty. Today's 7-minute zone lift works from your neck to your temples, using completely new face yoga moves and botanical oils you've likely never experienced. It's a gentle, non-surgical facelift you can do right at home. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Welcome. We're going section by section, from neck to forehead using targeted muscle activation, lymphatic massage, and calming oils inspired by face yoga and gui sha traditions. Each move supports collagen production, boosts blood flow for that natural glow, and brings subtle sculpting where you need it most. This routine blends face yoga with anti-wrinkle massage techniques, all backed by timeless rituals and modern skin science. Start with posture. Stand or sit tall, pull your shoulders back, and lift your chin slightly. This alone changes how your face sits. Good alignment gives your facial muscles the foundation to lift from, an instant mini facelift just by standing correctly. Begin every session with this reset. Posture trains your glow from the base up. Let's prep the neck, our first zone. Warm 2 drops of Blue Tansy oil in your hands. It's a calming, anti-inflammatory oil packed with antioxidants, and honestly, it smells divine. Press it into your neck, then sweep downward with your knuckles 5 times. This relaxes tension, drains stagnant fluid, and sets the stage for lift. Let's melt away jaw tension. Make gentle fists and use the flat of your fingers to glide in a zigzag from your chin toward your ears. Go slowly and repeat it 3 times on each side. You will feel that release. This massage eases clenched muscles. Goodbye, TMJ pain. This boosts lymph flow and begins to define that jawline for a sharper profile. Now let's soften the puppet lines, those marionette lines running from the corners of your mouth down to your chin. Feel free to pause this video at any time, then press play to follow along at your own pace. Place 2 fingers at the corners of your mouth. Gently lift up and out toward your cheekbones, then smooth the skin outward. This releases tension around the mouth and helps diminish those lines, supporting a lifted, happier smile. Repeat this steps 5 times. Awaken the cheek zone. Take 3 fingers next to your nose. Glide them slowly toward your ears with a soft wave motion, like a little ripple across your skin. Feel that gentle stimulation? This 3-finger wave boosts circulation to bring a rosy glow and helps plump the cheeks from within. It even subtly eases nasolabial fold tension along the way. Repeat 3 times on each side. Now ground your energy and release brow tension. Place 2 fingers on your temples, gently press, hold, and release. Do this 4 times, breathing deeply. This simple temple acupressure clears mental fog. It lifts the feeling of a heavy brow and calms your nervous system. Bonus: many people find this movement soothing for occasional tension or mild headaches. Time to lift the brow shelf. Place your index fingers under each eyebrow. Gently push up so you'll feel a light resistance, then slowly glide out along the brow toward your temples. This little resistance exercise strengthens the brow muscles, a natural eyelid lift. Repeat this slow glide 5 times. You'll really feel the lift with each rep. Now let's cool and calm the skin to lock in our lift. If you have a cooling roller or a chilled jade gua sha stone, just glide it upward along your cheeks, and repeat these steps 5 to 10 times to see better results. Do the same on your jaw and repeat the steps. And your forehead. Use gentle pressure as you glide the gua sha stone on your forehead. This cool down calms inflammation, helps to depuff any lingering tension, tightens pores, and really seals in all the benefits we've built so far. Next, our Glow Trifecta, a rare blend of 3 skin-transforming oils to nourish, protect, and brighten your skin from within: Blue Tansy, Tamanu, and Kakadu Plum. Why these 3 oils? Blue Tansy calms redness and helps even out skin tone. Tamanu supports collagen and firms the look of aging skin. And Kakadu Plum, the Australian vitamin C superstar, helps brighten your skin and boost glow, with over 100 times more vitamin C than oranges. That's the kind of nutrition your glow deserves. Warm 2 to 3 drops of the blended oils between your hands. Close your eyes and press gently into your cheeks, forehead, and neck, always moving upward. Press, don't rub. This head massage locks in moisture and antioxidants while completing your sculpt with a radiant finish. Bonus step, lift where it all begins, the scalp. Using your fingertips, dig into your scalp at the crown and temples. Now pulse in small circles while lifting the scalp upward. Feel that tingling relaxation? This relieves tension stored in your scalp, boosts circulation, which is great for healthy hair roots and supports the muscles that anchor your face. We finish how we started, with posture. Stand tall once more, drop your shoulders and gently tuck your chin. Good posture is a hidden facelift. It keeps your neck elongated and trains gravity to work with you, not against you. Carry this poise with you through your day. You did it! Go on, check the mirror. Can you see it? That soft lift in your brow, the ease in your jaw, and well, the glow in your cheeks. Your consistency is what brings real visible change. These daily moves stack gently over time, so be proud, be patient, and celebrate the glow you've earned, naturally. This routine is for educational purposes and is not medical advice. Always listen to your body and consult your healthcare provider if you have any medical concerns. If this 7-minute facelift brought you some glow and calm, let me know by hitting that like button and dropping a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly routines that lift, sculpt, and help you shine from the inside out. And if you're curious about boosting your skin further, check out my next video on the top 5 youth oils that transform skin. I dive deeper into the oils we use today and more. Thank you for joining me here on Repair Our Health. Remember, you deserve to feel beautiful, strong, and radiant every single day. Until next time, take care.